It's over. We don't know her very well, but I've always admired her, and I think she'd be perfect for your dad. So before you go home, I want you to fix him up with her.
That is crazy.
I know, this sounds crazy.
Not important. Well, she's in rehab. Anyway, so Joey said that he was fixing me up with his friend Mike, only he didn't have a friend Mike, so he just brought my Mike and
So we've been talking, and if you need a place to stay, we'd be happy to fix up the garage for you.
That would be amazing. I was literally just looking at my moving boxes trying.
In English phrasal verbs we will learn the verb, fix up. It means 1. To make plans or arrangements with someone or for others. Examples, let's fix up a meeting for next month. We should fix up Brian and Brianne. They'd make a really cute couple. 2. To repair or decorate. Examples, Carl fixed my car up for free. We've just finished fixing up our guest room for our visitors. 3. To clean and or groom yourself. Examples, go fix yourself up before dinner. Annabelle always fixes herself up for her husband. 4. To prepare something. Examples, can you please fix me up a plate? I'm starving. I need to fix up some snacks for the book club tonight. Now, let's see how fix up is used in real life.
anyway, so Joey said that he was fixing me up with his friend Mike, only he didn't have a friend Mike, so he just brought my Mike and
Good at this, I wouldn't need to be fixed up by my father.
I never thought I'd let my family set me up either, but I...
Just go for it. We'll get you fixed up in no time.
Frank drives. I can fix up the van, bolt a table in the back, and you know what I've got?
A place that no one will ever get out of alive?
For your dad. So before you go home, I want you to fix him up with her.
That is crazy.
I know, this sounds crazy.
That's Annette. Anu is the woman my father fixed me up with. We're going on our first date tomorrow. Which reminds me.
You worry so goddamn much. Here, go fix yourself up with him. You won't have to fucking wait around so much, and I won't have to freeze my ass off in a fucking...
Sorry.
Not done. By the time I finally got to work, they'd given my shift away. Yeah.
So we've been talking, and if you need a place to stay, we'd be happy to fix up the garage for you.
That would be amazing.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.